Hello everyone, good day. I'm Reymund. Welcome back to my channel. And this video is all about the Fulbright Foreign Language Teaching Assistant Program in the United States. So in 2020 to 2021, I was a Fulbright Foreign Language Teaching Assistant at Gonzaga University in Spokane, Washington State. In this video, I will discuss to you the eligibility requirements and the required documents whenever you are considering on applying to be a Fulbright FLTA in the US. The Fulbright Foreign Language Teaching Assistant Program is funded by the Bureau of Educational and Cultural Affairs at the US Department of State. This is a full scholarship program for early career with not more than 7 years of teaching experience, English language teachers to work as a Filipino language teaching assistant at a U.S. university for 1 academic year, which is about 9 months. The FLTA program aims at strengthening foreign language instruction at U.S. colleges and universities while providing foreign teachers the opportunity to increase their English language proficiency, refine their teaching skills, and extend their knowledge of the culture and customs of the United States. During the program year, the participants will have the opportunity to take classes on teaching methodology and other topics such as American Studies. The participant is also expected to participate in university programs and to share the Filipino culture with their colleagues and students. FLTAs should be energetic, early career educators capable of succeeding in the dual role of being a university teaching assistant and a student. He or she must be open to living with their U.S. student peers in an undergraduate or graduate level campus housing and also engaging with faculty and staff with maturity and professionalism. Please note that dependents are not allowed to travel with scholarship recipients. The grant is non-renewable. ECA will not support any extension requests for FLTAs. Participants must fulfill the 2-year home residency requirement required by the exchange participants' J1 visas, in which they pledge to demonstrate their commitment to enhancing mutual understanding by returning to their home countries and sharing the skills and knowledge that they have gained as program participants. Applicants with active applications for permanent residency or the diversity visa lottery will not be considered. Here are the eligibility requirements for the Fulbright Foreign Language Teaching Assistant Program. The first one is you need to be a Filipino citizen. Number 2, must be teachers of English or in training to become teachers of English based outside of Metro Manila. Number 3, must be residing in the Philippines throughout the nomination and selection process. Number 4, must possess the equivalent of a U.S. bachelor's degree with a good academic record. Master's degrees are highly desirable at many institutions. Number 5, fluency in English is mandatory. A score of no less than 90 IBT on the TOEFL is required. So the Fulbright or the Fulbright Philippines will be providing or will be giving you a voucher to take the TOEFL IBT. Number 6, must be able to demonstrate maturity, dependability, integrity, and professionalism. Number 7, should be energetic, early career educators capable of succeeding in the dual role of being a teaching assistant and a student. Number 8, must return to the Philippines upon completion of the 9-month program. And number 9, must be no younger than 23 and no older than 29 years of age at the time of application. The FLTA program does not provide J2 sponsorship for dependents. And here are the required documents. First is the completed online application. The link can be found at the website of Fulbright Philippines. The second one is official or certified transcript of records from all colleges or universities attended. So this is only a scanned copy of your transcript of records which will be uploaded online. Next is a certified true copy of your diploma, which should not also be original, and you need a scanned copy of this. The next one are 3 letters of reference. Forms are found on the online application. So for this one, you will be including you will be typing in the email address of your referees, and then they will be sent a link to include or to write their recommendation letters. The next one is a letter of institutional support. Should come from the university head, chancellor, university president, or vice president for academic affairs if you are working at the university, and this should be printed on an official school letterhead. Additionally, this letter should state that university or school is aware of and supports your participation in the Fulbright FLTA program. It should indicate that you will be granted an official leave, preferably with pay, from the institution, and will resume your teaching status in the university upon completion of your program in the United States. If you are working with DepEd, all you have to do is to request a letter of institutional support from your school head or your principal. The next one are supplemental forms. You also need to have a copy of your passport and the TOEFL or IELTS score report if applicable. And that is all about the Fulbright Foreign Language Teaching Assistant Program here in the Philippines. And if you have a question, feel free to send me a message or comment down below.